These are the projectors you've been looking for. Let's get started. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so for the past year and a half, my bedroom TV has been the Nebula Cosmos 4K projector after it handily beat the X-Jimmy in a side-by-side comparison. This year, Nebula decided to sponsor this video so I can test out the Nebula Cosmos 4K SE projector and their new Nebula Capsule Air portable projector. And I'll tell you right now, I can definitely recommend both of these, but for two different circumstances. Now, the original Cosmos 4K was $1,999. So when Nebula told me the 4K SE model was going to be $700 less, I really had to wonder how much less was I actually going to be getting, and would I really notice the difference? Honestly, it's hard to tell because they actually upgraded some features from the original. So although it is a little less bright at 1800 ANSI lumens, it's still plenty bright and packs an amazing color that's now supporting Dolby Vision. And thanks to Nebula's master engine, which is Nebula's image processor that makes it rival natural and my favorite vivid colors like an LED TV. And as you can see here, those colors definitely do pop in vivid mode. And thanks to its hybrid beams, which uses both laser and LEDs, it's able to not only give still very bright 1800 ANSI lumens, but also a wider color range. It's even upgraded to IEA 4.0, which means that it can adjust to wherever you put it. If it's moved or shakes, it seamlessly autofocuses and uses auto keystone correction. And since I normally use it on a projector screen, I love that it has auto screen fitting, but finally my favorite feature has to still be auto obstacle avoidance, which allows the screen to adjust if there is an object in the way. Because of all this, not only is it a great picture quality, but it allows you to set it and forget it. It's going to autofocus, auto correct itself, whatever angle you put it at, and make sure that if there's an object in the way, or if you have a screen ready for it, it's going to fit whatever space you need. It also comes with Google TV and certified to actually have Netflix, which not a lot of Android TVs do. And for a nice little update, it also has a newer version of Google TV, even compared to last year's model, which I definitely can appreciate. But if you do want to watch other stuff, you can connect it through multiple I/O connections in the back. You have 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB-A, and an auxiliary jack. So if you want to connect your PS5, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, you're totally able to do that and have a great time because this gets to be a really big screen. I'm also really impressed by the sound. I played a few signature movie moments and the sound really stood out to me. I know it's the same 30 watts, but I don't know if they did some fine tuning. It definitely seems like it has a little bit more kick this time around. The best smart ring in the industry just got an upgrade. Let's get started. Ringcon gave me early access to their Gen 2 smart ring. And last year I called their Gen 1 the best health tracker of 2023. So when they asked,
you're my number one girl, you got everything I need. I know we're meant to be, so let's go fulfill prophecy. I'll be your hero, baby, if you let me. I promise I will be there for you in your time of need. In your darkest hour, on your brightest day, I will be there for you, baby, when you call on me.
Finally, they learned from the past, and this year's controller has backlit buttons. This is really nice because in a projector, you typically are in a darker setting, so having backlit keys to turn it on, to raise the volume, to go back home, anything, it's so much easier this way, so I'm really happy to see that change. And now we'll move on to the portable projector space as we talk about the Nebula Capsule Air. Now, when it comes to portable projectors, I've always had my doubts just because you do have to sacrifice brightness due to it being battery powered. So it also has Google TV and Netflix. It quickly adjusts to any space you put it in, has real-time autofocus, and has its own very impressive speaker for its size. The speaker sounds like a Bluetooth speaker, definitely playing enough to fill up a hotel room or great for outdoors when camping. The best smart ring in the industry just got an upgrade. Let's get started. Ringcon gave me early access to their Gen 2 smart ring. And last year I called their Gen 1 the best health tracker of 2023. So when they asked to
you're my number one girl, you got everything I need. I know we're meant to be, so let's go fulfill prophecy. I'll be your hero, baby, if you let me. I promise I will be there for you in your time of need, in your darkest hour, on your brightest day. I will be there for you, baby, when you call on me.
This one has a 720p display with 150 ANSI lumens. So this one's going to be more for darker areas because of that. But again, the versatility kind of makes up for that and really allows you to use it in a lot more places. First off, it has 2 hours of battery life, plenty for multiple TV shows or a full movie. You can connect an HDMI to it, plus a USB Type-C for charging. Then you have the must-buy accessories, which currently do come free with the link in the description. We have the snap-on base, which lets you set it up to project at any angle. My son loved putting it on the ceiling. He got such a kick out of it. And then you have a tripod with an additional full charge of battery, meaning now you can get up to 4 hours of battery life when the tripod is connected to the projector. Plus, the tripod extends to a good amount, just a little under 3 feet. For me, I found lots of uses, including playing the Switch with my son, watching a movie with him before bedtime, and even watching a show while taking a nice hot bubble bath. Okay, I might have not been taking a bath, but you get the idea. You can do this. Finally, a fun addition that both of these projectors share is the Nebula Life App. This is emphasis on fun because it's able to actually show the cosmos in space, a relaxing window with rain outside, or some nice beach waves. Gotta love those sounds, but you can even have something like a birthday celebration. I know my son loves the space one, and I feel like he would definitely fall asleep to the soothing beach sound. It's nice and calming, a lot like his sound machine. And my daughter would probably even use the snapshot backdrops because you can make cuter style photos for social media, and they have backgrounds that definitely stand out. For families, this seems kind of like a no-brainer. For one, because you have Google TV, you're signed into all of your streaming services no matter where you travel to, whether it be in a hotel or a cruise ship. I can just project it right against the wall or the ceiling, and hey, I have a bigger TV than I would have had in the room otherwise, plus it's signed into all of my services already, so I am good to go. And I do have to thank Nebula because after I played the Nintendo Switch on the ceiling with my son in his room, he gave me a hug and said, "Dad, you're the coolest." So yeah, I can really recommend these because just like last year, Nebula has made some really good quality projectors. One that has a lot of the same qualities as last year, but $700 cheaper. And the other one that kids will absolutely love, and it's great for families, great for people that travel a lot. So which kind of projector do you prefer? Do you prefer the TV replacement kind of projector, or do you prefer the portable go anywhere projector? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.